It has been months since Manchester high school student Jayden Smith disappeared without a trace. And on Saturday morning, relatives and concerned citizens took to the streets of Mandeville hoping and renewing calls for answers. Yannick Williams has the details.
Today marks 9 months since Jayden's disappearance. Concerned residents and supporters in Mandeville gathered in the streets wearing purple shirts, bearing his photograph, keeping his face at the center of a heartfelt call for answers.
We not hearing anything forthcoming from the people who should have give us any information, which is the police. So we are here today asking the police to revisit Jayden's case and to let the public know what happened to Jayden.
Among those taking part was Jayden's mother, who says each passing day has been filled with pain and uncertainty. Despite the emotional toll, she says she refuses to give up hope her son will be found.
Sleepless night, cannot eat sometime, because in my mind, he's still, but just believe, say he's out there. So anyone out there have any information, please, I'm asking. Visit the nearest police station or anywhere. I miss my son so much.